Monday. It's April 28th. The sun was out and now it's gray again, which I'm really pissed off about because it's been gray in sunny Southern California for the past like week. And it's just been so gross and ugly. And I was super excited for today to be like sunny so I could go outside, get my vitamin D, and like, honestly, that's the only thing I care about these days is the sun. So ugly. Literally, it was all blue skies this morning. And I was super excited about it. And we're back to that. Anyway, as I was saying, I was very excited to go out today. I think I'll still go. I think today I'm gonna actually go to an actual gym to get out of the house because it was raining yesterday and the day before. So we've kind of just been cooped up in here. And then yesterday I had every plan to go as a family to just get something to eat, but Presley woke up with like some kind of stomach bug, so she has like diarrhea right now, and I kept her home today. She's downstairs. I kept her home today, and yeah, like when do they just stop getting sick? Presley's 4. I'm hoping by like next year she won't be as sick all the time. But I talked to a lot of my friends and like their kids are always sick too. I guess it's just the time of year. And I also didn't sleep very well last night, but what's new? That comes with having a newborn. But when does that also get better? Like, does that ever get better, ever, after you have kids? Let me know in the comments down below. So it's 10:31. I honestly really don't know what I am doing with my life right now because I was supposed to just like put my head into work. But with Presley being home, it always just like messes everything up, unfortunately. So I can't really fully ever work because I feel like I can just always hear commotion or something. I just feel like I just need to get out of the house, like just me. Thankfully we have like our nanny here, so I can hopefully get my mind in a better place because moms, you know what I mean, where I'm coming from and what I'm talking about. Maybe I'll also go to the grocery store too. Oh my god, it's been a while since I said hello to you guys. I'm also just like breaking out everywhere, my whole body. I've been a really sad vlogger because I went to the grocery store, but to my defense, I was on the phone with my cousin catching up, and she also just had a baby. So we talked for like an hour, and I completely was planning to vlog what I got at the grocery store. Just went to Whole Foods. I didn't really buy much because I couldn't really concentrate because I was on the phone with her, but it's like, I just love catching up with her. Now I'm home and now I'm gonna shower and probably cook. So at least that'll be something. But yeah, I told you guys that I don't normally go to the gym, right? I don't love a gym, right? Like I don't know how to use half the machines out there. I'm so used to my Pilates class. That gym was huge. It was like an Equinox, but it was like 3 floors and it was nice, and I would have loved to enjoy it with Jamie because then he could just like show me where everything is, but I just don't have the patience or the want to just go looking around a gym when people are just like working out, you know? And it's like, obviously I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't want to be that person that looks like she doesn't know what she's doing or like going or like where anything is. And I also just didn't want to overexert myself anyway because I'm already tired. And I don't know, usually like I get this burst of energy after I go to the gym, but then maybe 2 hours later I just like kind of crash. So just gonna take a shower and hopefully have enough time to cook. Jamie's not here tonight, it's just me and our night nurse, so thank goodness for her. Presley is with our nanny, so I have a little short window of time here, so I'm gonna go and then be back. postpartum hair loss is really coming through. Sad. All right, here I am again being a bad vlogger because I completely forgot my camera this morning. Obviously woke up and did all of the things, got Presley ready for school. I went and got myself a coffee. Finally, the sun is out. All clear so far. I don't see one cloud in the sky. It's all blue. But yeah, there's this like coffee shop that we love going to. It's just always a line and it's tiny. Like it's so tiny, but it's cute, and they always have like good music, and the people that work there are like young and cool and like hip, and they love like Presley and Jamie because they're the ones that go there. I just am always like, I get my coffee brought to me. But Presley like knows these people at the coffee shop. They know her like by name, and once they see her, even if there's a line, they automatically just like put a croissant in a bag and give it to her so that she can just start eating it. They're just like so sweet. They'll like dance with her and play with her if there's nobody like, you know, there. And so I go in there and like they don't even know who I am. But I'm like, you play with my daughter all the time. But yeah, it's just like the tiniest little coffee shop. And it's so good. So there is always a line. And so it's just like always awkward when I order my coffee and then I have to wait because there's like nowhere to wait, you know, there's like nowhere to stand, and you know, it's like no one knows what to do when they're waiting. But it's so cute, and they're so sweet to like Jamie and Presley, and like they know Jamie, like they're best friends. But I don't know, I don't know why I'm telling you that story. So Presley didn't go to school yesterday. Then today she didn't want to go to school. You know how that trickles? Like you miss one day of school and then they just don't want to go to school anymore for the rest of their lives. So it was a tough morning because she didn't want to change. She didn't want to brush her teeth. She just didn't want to go to school. And I was like, oh my God, this is one of those mornings, and it's just... And also Jamie's not here, so it's like all on me. Sometimes I feel like I get that like postpartum rage when she does that to me. But we got through it. It's like I also have to coach myself on how to like react and not have the postpartum rage when it's just so annoying. But yeah, today I don't really have much going on. No, I do have stuff going on. I have to do my hair because I washed it last night. I have to do my hair. I have to put on makeup. And I have to film. I think I'm going to film a product empties both for YouTube and for Reels. And then hopefully I can get a quick workout in because it's so nice outside. All I want to do is just like go sit outside and just work out and bathe in the sun, literally. And so that's what's going on. It's already 9 a.m. So I better get going because we all know how long it takes to get ready and be a woman. This is how my hair dries, by the way. What else? So today is Tuesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We got the New Heights podcast. I look forward to Wednesdays because it's the New Heights podcast. Like, I love football. I cannot wait for football season. We have how many more months left? What is it? April? It's basically May, June, July, August, September. 4 more months until football season. And by the way, guys, can you imagine? Kanoa turned 4 months on Sunday. 4 months. 4 months has passed. Another thing I would like to say about the newborn stage and doing this a second time around is that I don't love the newborn stage. I think I've mentioned this on here before, and I feel guilty saying it. But I also want this to be a safe space where I feel like I can say how I feel, even if it's like a little uncomfortable, but that's just how I feel, and I can't help how I feel. So like, I don't enjoy the newborn stage, and I know, like, I just wish he can like hold his head up, right? Because he's just so fragile now, and he can't tell me what's wrong. He's such a good baby though. Like, he's such a happy baby. Even like our nanny tells us like we're so lucky because he's such a good boy. But I just want him to be older, you know? But I also feel guilty saying that. But again, safe space. Like, I just cannot wait until he can communicate. But I know I'm gonna look back and like feel bad. Yes, but also like wish he was smaller. But I just, you know, when they're so fragile, I worry too much for that stage of life. All right, let's get ready for the day. Okay guys, I am so into body care, specifically like lotions, body washes, even fragrances and things like that. There are 3 product empties when it comes.
Inhale as you come down. Exhale, stretch the arm. Inhale as you come back to center. Inhale.
So I just finished a quick like 18-minute workout because that's kind of all the time that I have today, but I just wanted to like squeeze one in. I don't care how short it is. The ones that I do are short and effective from the Pilates class, which I have a code that I always forget to share. It's Naomi 20. I think you get like 20 off the first 3 or 4 months or something like that. If you just enter my code in the checkout, it'll tell you and show you exactly how much off you get. But I highly recommend it, especially if you're like me, where you like your closest gym is not that close, and like you just want to be able to quickly put something on at home and get a feel-good workout in and then like be done. I love the Pilates class. I've been doing it for so many years, and I'm gonna actually just take like a quick body shower, wash the makeup off. Don't work out with your makeup. And yeah, hello. It has been a crazy past like week. So the week that I was vlogging, I skipped so many days vlogging, and I was actually going to still continue to compile on to this vlog, but Presley had some kind of stomach bug, and so we ended up keeping her home the whole week last week. She only went to school one day. So yeah, she had the stomach bug, and it was mainly just like diarrhea. Sorry if this is too much, but mainly just like diarrhea. She threw up like twice, but that is like so new to us. There's only one other time she like had this, and it was just like a throw up, and then that was it. But it just caused everything to shift, and you know, keeping your kids home, it's just, I can't work. She ended up giving it to, or like Kanoa ended up getting it, but thankfully his was just like overnight and then it was done. He's just such a happy baby. We are so blessed with this little baby boy. But Presley was also the same way. Can you believe he's gonna be 5 months at the end of this month? Like, I can't even believe almost half a year has been like going by that I will have this little baby boy. But anyway, I think I'm just going to end the video and then start a new vlog, because it's just like 2 weeks already, or a week and a half, and like I haven't even picked up the camera because we've been so busy with her being home and just taking care of all of that. So yeah, end the vlog here. I did want to show you my outfit though for today. I don't know if these things are still available, but this is a little sweater that I have from Madewell. These jeans are a Goldie, and I plan to wear it with these Amazon Alaya knockoff flats, and that's it. These earrings I love so much. I have them in gold as well, so I'll link these as well. Presley has a short day, of course, so I'm gonna go pick her up, and then we're just gonna spend like the afternoon together. I was gonna take her to the beach, but it's not quite as hot as I would like it to be. Literally today was supposed to be the day the sun came out. The sun did come out this morning, and then it's gray again, but then looks like the sun's coming out again. I don't know, it's really honestly pissing me off. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna just try really hard to keep doing like at least one vlog a week. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.